Typically, your company's phone system just works. However, going into lockdown caused significant difficulties for businesses working from home with no access to their office phone system. The ability to make and receive calls anywhere other than the office is now vital to all businesses. However, this feature is generally only available to those with modern phone services. During the first few weeks of lockdown, we switched several businesses to our hosted phone service in a matter of days, bypassing their ineffective phone systems. Since everything is done in the cloud, there's no need for a physical box on the wall, a maintenance contract, and certainly no need for expensive engineers. Our hosted phone system works on a simple pricing model and is run on the UK's biggest enterprise network, powered by BT. With our Use Anywhere handsets and mobile app, your staff will never be limited again. If you're frustrated and restricted by your old phone system, get in touch today and join the telecoms revolution and discover the benefits of a hosted phone service fit for today's flexible working.